Hi, I'm Dr. McCutcheon. I'm going to show how to use the Navage saline irrigation system. Everything comes in the box. The saline pods, you do have to purchase some distilled water, and the instructions are very specific about it being distilled or drinking quality water. There are rare reported cases of serious infections that can occur as a result of using tap water. The system already comes with batteries in it, so all you have to do is just fill to the line with drinking quality water or distilled water. After you filled it to the line, next you want to put in these little salt pods. One salt pod will make the saline isotonic or normal saline, 0.9% sodium chloride. And you put the pod in and then just press the top close. The saline drops into the tank, and this creates isotonic saline. To improve the decongestant properties of saline, you might want to add another pod that creates hypertonic saline, which again is a much better decongestant. So we're going to go ahead and put in 2 pods. So this is hypertonic saline, or 1.8% sodium chloride. This is the nozzle, and you'll notice the nozzle has an arrow on it. The arrow is the direction of the saline flow. So if you're, for instance, congested on the left side of your nose, you might want to have that be the suction side, like we're showing here. And then the irrigating or rinsing side would be the opposite. So it will be sucking through this side and pushing saline out through that nozzle. So just to show you how it works, there's a little button right here that you press when you have, and we'll do it this way, when you have the nozzles put in your nose. When you have it secure, you just press the button, and the battery-powered machine does everything else. And you can see that you can walk around the house if you want to while it sucks out the right side. Let's show how it brings it in the tank. When the machine finishes cycling, the manual says to very gently blow your nose. All the saline that was in the top is now in the bottom. If you want to do another irrigation, and sometimes that is helpful when the nose is congested, that way you can reverse the flow. So now it is pushing out this nozzle. The flow of saline is in the nostril, and then it sucks back through this side, so that way you can have one cycle where each side got suction and irrigated. To take the irrigant out that's been used, you just simply twist and then pour it down the sink. And then you're ready to go again, and you might notice you have some drippage for a while after this. Up to 15 minutes is normal.